Now the secret ingredient is love. And this kitchen is seasoned with love. Now, all right. Now, hey, they tore through the turkey, ran through the ham, said, hello to Lord, that okra stew right there. That's a whole nother story. Man, listen.
Second pot of rice and the second pot of okra.
Oh, what?
Remember I had some in the bag.
Oh, that whole tail gone. All right, now come through here. You got chicken feet. Those were delicately seasoned. Yes, Lord. Ooh, the mac and cheese, even I talked to the mac and cheese. I told you about that corner right there. Now, what y'all know about them pig ears? I told you, I had on Edisto. Careful now. Oh, Father, my goodness. Who this was?
Chicken feet.
No, this one.
Cornbread dressing.
Another one?
No, it was just one.
No, that's the one.
That's seafood.
Oh.
That's cornbread and the other one is seafood.
Oh, I had the orgasms on the seafood. Okay, there we go. Now, see this here? Oh, them greens right there. Okay. Now, in case y'all didn't understand, there were things that fell into the vegetable category. There's sweet potatoes. Hey, this seafood pasta salad right here. The potato salad. Oh Lord, who they hiding back there?
Salad.
Oh, see, they had salad too. Don't think nothing wasn't there for the vegans. Yeah, see, good fruit. Now hold up. Apple pie, 7-Up cake, bread pudding. Oh, this one under here.
That's a pumpkin something swirl.
Oh, now. But that big one there is Kentucky somebody. Hello, Kentucky. One moment. Let's just verify your contents. There's a moistness in it.